Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can bring elements to front in your Figma design. So let us get started right away. So you can change the position of layers here in your Figma design easily, guys. Like for example, if you'd like to have a layer in the background or background image and a text in the foreground, it is very simple, guys. All you will need to do is head over to the list of layers here to the left. You may expand that list or the given layer by clicking into that arrow icon next to layers. And here you will see a list of all of your layers listed from the very one at the top, which is here at the absolute foreground, and with the background layer here at the bottom of that list, which is in this case here our canvas, that one here. So if I left click into it, you will see that it is locked. So I may unlock it, for example, and move it around. So if you'd like to change the position of your layers, guys, and bring them to the front, like for example, let me go with that background just for demonstration purposes to show you how it looks like. Right click into the given layer, and after that select bring to front, or use that shortcut here, and there you go. Now as you can see, as previously mentioned, that layer is now in the front, and it is also at the top of that list, and it basically covers all other elements because they're smaller and they're now in the background. So let me move it again to the back, right click into it and click into send to back. Or alternatively, guys, you may always customize the position of each layer by left clicking into it and by dragging it to your preferred position in that list of layers. So let me move it here to the very bottom of that list, release your left mouse, and that's how you also can change the position of elements and layers and bring them to the back, or send them to the front. Send them to the back and bring to the front, sorry, that way. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.